G'day, I'm Sam and this is the Triumph TF 450 RC. Now, if you've been following Triumph's progress in the motocross world, you would have seen they came out with the TF 250X last year. Well, now its big brother has arrived. It's in Australia finally, and we get to ride it today. We're at Ride Park facility in Victoria. It is a wonderful track. It is like chocolate cake paradise down here. So really looking forward to jumping on this bike. And basically today what we're going to be doing is getting our first familiarisation with the TF 450 RC. We're going to tell you what it's like, what it's got, what it doesn't have. We're also going to be doing a back-to-back comparison with the smaller TF 250X as well. So you can go through the different chapters on the time code below and skip to wherever you want. But yeah, really looking forward to bringing you this first impression of the TF 450. This is a brand new channel, so please feel free to like, subscribe, and most importantly, tell your mates. Let's get to it. So as we know, Triumph is a household name in the motorcycle world, but it's relatively new to this dirt bike caper. So the TF 450 RC comes about a year after the TF 250X. And what we know is that Triumph is super agile and super adaptable as a company because they've gone and taken so many cues from the TF 250X and adapted them to this larger 450. So the RC part of the naming ledger, well, that comes from Ricky Carmichael. He's been kind of the official ambassador of this bike. He's helped with the development of it. In fact, he was even embedded in the development program from early on, as far back as 2019, and has had a big hand in certain parts of the bike's evolution as it's been developed. So 250 and 450 were developed concurrently at the same time. So they've certainly taken a lot of learnings from the 250 and adapted them to the big brother machine. So both bikes look a lot like the same. They have a lot of parallels, even down to the frame, the swing arm, the linkage. They all carry over from 250 to 450. Not surprisingly, they look quite similar as well. There are some design cues like a bigger airbox. This one has a narrower handlebar width, but a lot of the styling and everything else sort of carries over between 250 and 450. Another thing that's shared between 250 and 450 is just the high level of quality components all over the bike. Basically everywhere you look, it's a bit of a, like they've cherry-picked things from the brochure. DID dirt start wheels, Brembo brakes, Athena engine management system, and just some of the cool little trinkets all over it too that just go a long way in, I guess, justifying the purchase price of this thing. The RC edition itself sort of suggests that eventually there'll be a regular TF 450. Triumph isn't kind of confirming that at this stage, but it's a bit of a foregone conclusion that there will be a regular TF 450 as well. So in terms of the RC side of the ledger, we've got his specialised blend of ODI handlebars, lock-on grips, the Dunlop Geomax tyres were his pick as well. But otherwise, I think you get an idea or a sense of what the regular TF 450 will look like. So really keen to jump on this thing and see what it's all about. Obviously we have a bigger engine, we've got a lot more power and torque than what the 250 has, but we still have what promises to be the same agile package because you've got the same frame, the same swing arm and the same linkage as well. I guess the other big kind of unknown around this bike was the price leading into today. $16,995 right away is the sticker price as it stands at the time of publishing. That's not particularly cheap. You know, it's a little bit more than the Japanese and Austrian rivals. You know, it's almost up near the Honda 450, CRF 450 Works Edition sort of pricing. So it's getting up there. And I guess another consideration is that in the same week that we do this launch, Ducati has just released pricing for its 450 motocross bike, and it's cheaper than this. It's $16,300 right away. So anyway, enough of the talk. I'm gonna go hit Ride Park. I can't wait. Okay guys, Ride Park on the new TF 450 RC edition. What a day it's been. I will preface this by saying I called this the home of chocolate cake before. It's been a couple of years since I've been here, obviously. They've brought in a sort of sandy base to this track, so it is very different before, and we were riding it, you know, in this much sort of sand on the top layer of the track. So it was a lot of fun, and I think it actually complemented the balance and handling of this bike. But a little bit of housekeeping first up. Just basic things I wanted to cover. You'll notice this bike has Torx bolts instead of your traditional hex bolts. That's, you know, something to look out for prospective buyers. Yes, it's a little bit different. Triumph said they did it to sort of save weight, and also you get a greater purchase on the bolt itself when you're adjusting it compared to a hex bolt. So one little observation. We've got a 110 section rear tyre on this bike as well. As I said before, it's the Dunlop Geomax 34 rubber, but it's slightly narrower than a lot of other 450s on the market. Again, I think it complemented this bike in a sandy setting because it allowed you to really slot into ruts and get comfortable with some of the pinch points on the track. Otherwise, KYB suspension, just like the 250 that we've already reviewed. The triple clamp is a little bit stiffer on this. You also have stiffer spring rates as well. But as we sort of mentioned before, a lot of the same base components as the 250, but of course the bigger engine. Ergonomically, I really like the bike. If you take a look at it from behind, you'll actually notice that the pegs are slanted in. We always talk about in off-road settings, you know, riding on the toes of your feet, having them angled in. Well, this bike kind of enables that with its natural foot peg setting. You seem to sort of really naturally grip the bike with your legs, which means you're more in control, you've got better balance, and you're relying less on the forearm. So that was a real masterstroke on Triumph's part, and a smart thing they could do when building this bike from the ground up. Lots of grip through the middle. It's nice and narrow. The airbox design is a little bit different to the 250. I didn't really have a preference either way, but I enjoyed it nonetheless. Nice and slim. The frame itself, you're able to grip well with your legs as well. And this bike has a gripper seat. A lot of people talking about monkey butt. At the end of the day, it works. It's very, very grippy. I'm kind of on the fence about gripper seats, but this one certainly kept me in my correct riding position today, so that was good. In terms of the bike itself, it's very different to a lot of other 450s. If we use, say, the Yamaha YZ450 as the gauge, that's kind of the angriest bike, you know, the angriest 450 currently on market. This bike isn't particularly like that. For me, it's a bit more mild-mannered, and I think it has a greater bandwidth in terms of its power delivery, and a lot of that is thanks to the maps. If you put it in its most conservative mapping mode, it's quite controllable and metered with its power delivery. A pro rider might tell you it's a little bit too soft for them, and maybe it is, but the beauty of it is that you can adjust the maps as you go. So you can get harder hitting maps. The RC map, for example, it hits really hard off the bottom, but then kind of peters off as you go through the rev range. Now, remembering that this bike revs to about 11,000 RPM versus 14,000 RPM for the 250, so it can make a lot more of its power down low. We actually played around with an expert setting, and that seemed to be the best power delivery for the sandy conditions today. I think a hard packed track is going to be different, but basically it was just a nice, consistent and metered power curve all the way through the rev range. Handling wise, is it like a 250? Well, I went out today and I back-to-back both bikes. For me, the 250 is probably a little bit more approachable in terms of its nimbleness. It's 4 kilograms lighter, but I think the biggest thing that speaks to its strengths is just the lack of engine inertia compared to this. This just feels maybe a tad more cumbersome in terms of changing direction, but I've got to say for a 450, it is a really approachable machine and I really liked it. Components, there's no big surprises there. The brake levers, front and rear, worked really well. Nice snappy Brembo brakes. The clutch, I think the jury's out on still. I think it worked well in this first setting, but I've got a feeling that I think this bike is going to feel better as you bed it in. Same goes with the gear shift. I found the gear shift really notchy on this, and I also found it really notchy on the 250 that I rode 12 months ago. But the 250 I jumped on today had, you know, 10, 15, 20 hours on it, and I did notice that that shift had softened a little bit. So I think with more time bedding in the gearbox, the frame, all the different components, this motorcycle is only going to get better. So yes, it does have a lot of the character traits of a 450. Lots of power down low, explosive if you want it to be, beautiful mid-range. You can ride it higher gear, you can ride it in a lower gear, and it just seems to do everything well. But I think the biggest strength of this bike really is its bandwidth. And you know, they talk about Ricky Carmichael in development having 2 caps, you know, like his racer cap and pro rider cap, but also an eye to what an amateur or intermediate rider might be looking like. And I think for that reason, this bike does cater to both strengths. It's not going to intimidate you as the same way as a YZ450, but that's a good thing from where I'm sitting, the lens I'm looking through, and that is, you know, intermediate, vet rider, maybe rides once a month. You can jump on this thing and have a lot of fun. As for the ultimate question, if you decide to go Triumph and you're not sold on 250 or 450, it's really going to come down to individual person. For me, I've got to be honest, I rode the 250 around this track and it's not really a track that suits 250s because it's so big and open and wide. And I think it's still the bike that I'm having more fun on because I feel like I'm really extracting more out of it. I'm enjoying it higher in the rev range. This bike, I think, you know, the big limitation is me. For a faster rider, this is going to be the pick, but I still think there's a lot of strength in the 250. So if it was my money and my choice, that's probably the bike that I'd go with. Not to say that this is a bad machine in any way. Handling wise and everything else, I think the track today and the sandy conditions really complemented the TF 450 RC. It was like the sort of thing where you're really dependent on throttle movement as to what the bike was doing, especially approaching corners and things. It is a track that could potentially feel quite tucky on a lot of bikes, but such is the balance of the Triumph, such is the front to rear engagement and your awareness of what the bike is doing, that I actually got to grips really comfortable with it. I actually thought, you know, I'm going to be a lap in here, I'm going to have the arms are going to pump up and I'm going to not enjoy this experience whatsoever. But you know what? I really did. And I think with more time on the TF 450, you're really going to come to grips with it. I think you're really going to enjoy it and your speed's going to grow as well. So we played a little bit with the mapping today. I think there's a lot to be unlocked there as well. This bike has a really big bandwidth in terms of its power delivery, its softness, or conversely its hardness. But overall, it's a really capable machine. I think Triumph have done what they set out to do. It's off the mark, out of the crate, a really impressive 450. I think there's still you know, a lot more scope to tailor the bike to yourself through suspension changes and everything else. I'm about where I should be in terms of weight for the springs that are in this bike, but out of the box, yeah, I really liked it. I think, you know, this definitely calls for a comparison of some sort with the current benchmarks in this class, just to see how well this measures up. But in isolation, I'm really impressed.